So we had this diagonal just kind of hanging out there. What are we going to do about it? Well, let's take a look at it. Let's put a bar on it and blow it up a little bit. Looks like every number on top is one more than the number on the bottom. Now, can we come up with a trick for these numbers? Well, let's see what we can do. Here's a 7 by 7 array. So that represents 7 times 7. Now there's the rearranger. Rearranger, would you make a copy of that, please? Thank you. So that's 7 times 7 too. Now, rearranger, make a copy of the last column, tack it on, and change it to red so we can keep track of it. Thanks. Okay, so this is not 7 times 7 anymore. What is it? Well, it's 7 over here and 8 on top. So this is really 8 times 7. Let's put that 8 times 7 down here for a minute, because we have another way of looking at this. This part is 7 times 7. Let's make that blue. And this part is 7. Let's make that red. So, 8 times 7 equals 7 times 7 plus 7. 8 times 7 equals 7 times 7 plus 7. You know, that had a kind of a nice little rhythm to it. 7 times 7 plus 7. Maybe Kevin and Kate, an ikunga player whose name we didn't get, can do a little dance to it. 7 times 7 plus 7. 7 times 7 plus 7. That's the dance that they did on the very first date. 'Cause it adds up to 7 times 8. Hey man, got a dime? Okay, one more time. 7 times 7 plus 7. Beautiful. 7 times 7 plus 7. Blow your natural soul. That's the dance that they did on the very first date. 'Cause it adds up to 7 times 8. Okay, so if we're looking at, say, 8 times 7, we think of 7 times 7, which is 49, and add 7 more, which is 56. So 8 times 7 is 56. Okay, that's not as good a trick as we had before, but still it'll help. We now know that if the top number is one more than the bottom number, like say 6 times 5, then it's 5 times 5 plus 5, which is 25 plus 5, which is 30. Okay, that'll help us remember this. And when we do, we can cross out everything on the bar. And that gets us to here, so we're making progress. Now let's see what else we can do.